have one array with some random values, we will split that array in two parts. The position where we will split the array will be given by the user. Let's assume this position is 3. That array will be split here. There we'll have the array 1 and array 2. For that problem, we need from the user, as we said, position, and also we'll use two temporary arrays. In that way, we'll put those elements in array 1 and those elements in array 2. We'll say to the user to give the dimension of array. Scanf %d as we have integer and n. Now we'll fill the array. I equals 0, I is lower than n, I++, scanf will declare the position. We'll take the position from the user. We will declare two helping variables. We'll declare two temporary arrays. Array 1 with the same dimension, 2. Using a for loop, if I is lower than position, array 1 k++ equal array ai, that is the primary array, else array 2++ equal ai. We'll test the conditions here. Now we'll print the arrays. Array 1, f. Using for loop, I is lower than k, I++, printf %d, 1, I. The same way for next array. We'll just change the indexes. Now we'll execute and see the result. Dimension of array 5, elements 2. We are right. Just we need to add a new line.
Yourfastcode is an educational site and to inform about programming. Yourfastcode consists of site on YouTube and blog, and it is also on social sites like Facebook, Instagram, etc. Yourfastcode has extensive programming information and currently programming language C. The blog and YouTube explain topics such as simple exercises in C. Function in C, arrays and two-dimensional arrays in C, etc.